Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Melinda Syafitri Dewi dari kelas 12 IPS IT. Saya akan menceritakan biografi Andi Abdullah Bomasepe dalam berbahasa Inggris. Andi Abdullah Bomasepe was born in Masepe, South Sulawesi, 1918. He is the son of Andi Mapanyuki, a national hero from South Sulawesi, and his mother Bese Arumbulo. Masepe is the heir to the throne of two major kingdoms in South Sulawesi, namely the Kingdom of Bone and Goa. In addition, he also inherited 5 kingdoms to the west of Lake Sidenreng, namely Supa, Alita, Sidenreng Rapang, and Sawito. Masepe started his formal education at the People's School for 1 year in 1924. Then, he continued his education at Holland Islander School. He graduated in 1932. During the struggle, Andi Abdullah Bomasepe led his struggle in the political and military fields by maintaining security, collecting weapons, buying and seizing weapons from the Japanese. Masepe also devised a strategy and gathered youth to decide the usual route for the Dutch. The offensive began in January 1946. The attack plan that will be carried out by Andi Abdullah Bomasepe is as follows. 1. Attack the Nika post on February 3, 1946, but failed. 2. Masepe troops met with Dutch troops at Garasi Supa. As a result, the Dutch troops were repulsed. 3. Facing the Dutch and fighting at La Majaka, the Dutch suffered heavy losses. 4. The Battle of Laseko became the greatest battle because the Dutch troops attacked the residence of Bomasepe in Berpuru. 5. A safe success in the Battle of Tapoe Kenango because it was able to repulse the Dutch troops and seize some weapons. Having carried out several raids and resistance, Masepe was finally captured on October 17, 1946. He was taken to Makassar and detained for 116 days. After in prison, Masepe died from being shot by Western troops on February 2, 1947. He was buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Parepare City. To appreciate his service, Masepe was declared a national hero of Indonesia by Presiden Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono on November 9, 2005. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Alwi Alimudin. Saya akan menceritakan biografi Andi Abdullah Bomasepe dalam versi bahasa Bugis. Andi Abdullah Bomasepe jaji Masepe Sulawesi Selatan tau sisabu asratuna 10 arua. Ambona Andi Abdullah Bomasepe ritela Andi Mapanyuki indona riasang Bese Arumbulo. Alena tawarina pole Sulawesi Selatan. Andi Abdullah Bomasepe warisiwi 2 asoraja Sulawesi Selatan yang naritu Bone si bawa Goa. Dan nia Alena topa warisiwi 5 asorajang Rimanorana Sidenreng yang naritu Supa, Alita, Sidenreng Rapang, dan Sawito. Andi Abdullah masih sekolai setahun di sekolah rakyat tahu si sebu asratuna 20 apa narnapa masih sekolah di Holland Islander Schools Yarega His letu lulusu ri tahun sisebu asaratuna 32. Wetuna berjuang Andi Abdullah, alena matoroi urusa politik nenia pimpingi tentarae carana peliharai keamananna makumpul senjata meli si bawa minau senjata Jepange. Andi Abdullah bau masepe susungi rencanana carana napak depungengi kaloloe akad tanah maeloi solangiwi lelenge ero nolai tau Belandae. Mapamula ni mamusu Andi Abdullah bau masepe tahun sisebu asaratuna 46. Rencanana Andi Abdullah mewai mamusu tau Belandae yang dari tu sedi nasara posna nikah di tanggal 3 ulah 2 tahun sisebu asaratuna 46. Tetapi ikalai dua pasukanna Andi Abdullah seruntui si bawa pasukanna Belandae ri Garesi Supa erona nala pasabari na wedding pasukanna Belanda wedding kalah. Telu nahada Belandae untuk mamusu ri Lamajaka erona pasabara Belanda nakena Rogilopo apa amusukel laseko mancaji amusuka malopo nasaba pasukana Belandae nasara tauna bau masepe ri berpuru. Andi Abdullah na menangi amusukena tepoe kanao si bawa Belanda nasaba naulai pemundrui pasukana Belandae si bawa malai senjatana. Purana telma musuh denamita itikengi Andi Abdullah di tanggal 10 Fetu ulah 10 tahun sisebu asaratuna 46. Andi Abdullah itiwi joka jupandang si bawa tahangi 10 tahun. Purana 160 sona mondor di penjarae Andi Abdullah diberitakangi mate nasaba itembai pasukanna Westerling tanggal 2 ulah 2 tahun sisebu asaratuna 40 Fetu. Alena ilemah ritama makam pahlawan kota Parepare untuk hargai pura napigau watuna tuo. Andi Abdullah yakai mencaji tawaranina Indonesia ri Presiden Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono tanggal asera ulang asera tahun 2005.